Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is Grow with Grace Binder Day, where I have $100 in prop money and some saving challenges that I am planning or saving throughout the whole year. So let's get started. First, we have say $2,026 in 2026. You can find this in my Etsy or in my Kofi. So let me get that rolling. So we are going to the green section. And let's go ahead and do, should I do the 25? Let's do the 20 because I want to finish some other things. And this goes towards my taxes for next year. So let's go ahead and do the 20. How are you guys doing? I know my videos has been kind of late. Sorry. This has been a busy month. Today is graduation day for my son. So happy graduation. Congratulations to all the 2026 graduates. You should be proud of yourself. And congratulations to all the parents. You know, helping these babies pay the way through. All right. So this is for vacation. Let's go on an adventure created by Mint Dough. This says $1,200. And let me go ahead and do, let's do 20 in here too. You know what? And for all the celebrations, let's go ahead and do an Etsy sale. Should we do an Etsy sale? Yes. So let's go ahead. Check out my Etsy shop. If you're eyeing any digital downloads or any binder charms or paper clips, I will run an Etsy sale from today, which is May 21st, 2026, all the way to the end of the month. So until May 31st, 2026. So go, you eye some, go catch what you need. And yeah, thank you so much for everyone for your support on my Etsy shop. So that will be an Etsy sale going on starting today when you see this video. All right, so that was $20 put in for vacation. And let's go to this senior year savings created by Budget with Carly. Your life is about to be overflowing with blessings and prosperity. So let's see, say 55. Let's try to finish. Should we try to finish this? Let's try to finish it. Let's see. Ew, that's a 7. That's a 4. Where's my calculator so I can keep track? 7, 4. Oh no, another 7. Plus 7. And last one, a 5. $23. Ooh, this needs some batteries. Hold on, I need my other one. This desk is a mess. All right, $23. Let's put that there. So 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3. $23. And let's see, we have our 55. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So yes, $55. Perfect. I don't know what I'm going to change this category to, but we shall see. it might still be a graduation. Like I said, he is going to Space Force, and we will have to save to go to his graduation from basic training. So that still might be graduation. Yeah, it might be. So this is created by Champagne's Corner, and this is for a month ahead. Let's see, we still got a couple dollars. Let's get some dice here and let's roll. Let's go 1 and 4, and that's the light bulb for $1. So let's do $1. Let's do this a couple times. We got 6 and 5 for the house, which is $3. 1, 2, and 3. We got 1 and 4. We already did. Let's do 4 and 1. That's the cell phone for $2. Let's put at least 10 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got $6 right now. So let's go again. We got 2 and 5. 2 and 5. And that is 5. Look at that. $11. Perfect. And like I said, that's for a month ahead. Next is emergency funds. And this is created by Budgeting Introvert. Says $1,200 plus it for our aunts and friends. And where we at on here? So we got, let's try to do these 3 in the middle. All right. Let me get this dice so you can see. So we will, where's my black? There we go. All right. So let's say this one is going to be even. And this knot is odd. Odd is $2. So $2. Let's go to this side. Let's go even. $2. It was a 1, so it was an odd. So that's another $2. Okay, I'm gonna go odd this time. All right, odd. Really? And it was a 2, which is even. Oh my goodness. So that is $4. So let's put $1 back and grab a 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me see. Should I do an ice cream for 5? I think so. So that'd be 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So let's do an ice cream cone. Let's do, each ice cream cone is $5, and this page equals to $100. Ooh, girl, you're coloring. All right. I am trying to convince my daughter to go to Hobby Lobby with me today. My favorite store. The adult Claire's, that's what I call it. All right, so that's 5, 10, 11, 12, $13. And that is for emergency funds we saving for. And next is the most basic saving challenge. This is created by Beautifully Me and You here on YouTube. You can find this on Amazon. Saves $15K for the whole book. And this is going towards student loans. Wah, wah, wah. All right. Let's go get a D8. And let's roll. How much money we have first? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, $13. Okay, we can do that. We got a 5. Let's do, because there's no 5 on here, so we just do 3 and 2. So let's color this 2 in. Are you guys going to any graduation parties? What is happening with you guys? It seems like I haven't talked to you guys in forever. This it has started all the nice spring and summer festivals here in Ohio. And I went to one this past weekend. It was so much fun. The weather was beautiful. Sun was shining. The wind was whistling. It was incredible. Got some yummy food. And I stopped at a craft vendor who makes handmade beaded sun catchers. Oh my gosh. She has inspired me. And I believe her Instagram is called Catching Rainbows. I believe I will put it across the screen so you guys can check out her Instagram. Oh my goodness, she has some beautiful things. She has, like I said, inspired me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just like in my handmade beading era. I just love it. So what we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we got $8. So we can roll this D8. And we got a 2. Yes, we just go to this 2 down here. Just keep it going. Oop, not the black, girl. So yes, I need to be making an envelope for all the like spring and summer fairs and festivals, because ooh-wee, I was trying to eat at every food truck and buy everything I seen. All right, I should just put this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. Let's go. Should I just put the $6 in here? Yeah, why not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go ahead and do this 6 here. Oh, that'd be an orange right there. Oh, oh man, I messed up the colors. You know what? I'm going to do that. I'm just going to do it this color. Yeah. No, because then that's too, oh man. Why did I do that? I'm going to have to put another color in here. Let's do, you guys probably like, it doesn't matter. Just color it. It does matter. It really do. Now I feel like this purple probably messed it up. So yeah, guys, be sure to check out my Etsy for the sale. And be on the lookout for other new announcements. All right, so that was a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13 put in for the most basic saving challenge. We already done saved $200. We on the third 100. We are doing this slowly, but we're gonna get it done. All right, gems, that is it. I have a lot more videos to film today. Graduation is not until 6, so we just gonna take it easy. Guys, I'm not ready. But thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.